Okay, now we play the game.
Okay.
Okay, do you hear the? This is bar bet. Okay. How can you put the cap in the bottle? You don't know?
I don't know.
Wait. Okay. The secret is put the cap in your pocket and bend it like this. Now, you can put it in bottle. Okay? But what if you cannot put the cap from here? I say, put in from bottom like this.
Holy!
And check.
What?
This. One more thing. Okay? Look.
What? Oh my god!
Now you can never catch God.
What?
The souvenir for you. Thank you.
Yeah.